8 minutes after 8. Yamfasida Kasiama Franco Trading Enterprise. Ebacho Franco Trading Enterprise. Phone papa fie. Open phone ye papa. Open phone ye che. Phone be our Trading Enterprise. Yakoto phone papa. Ebusia ene Beyi W'ano no me catch us me jinem ewo the Ghana Immigration Service. Na Ghana Immigration Service no me hwe border management. Na border management no me bacho yenhwe omo functions. Na yembo bo ho ansa na nkoma ye betwetwe ne ya twetwe. Na functions no e be say we me reading no verbatim. Obebesie verbatim. There's a who say word to word no matrim. As per the cabinet decision, the GIS was mandated to perform the following general functions, which includes but not limited to the prevention, deterring, and interception of prevention, deterring, and interception of 1. Illegal migrants, drug trafficking, human trafficking and migrant smuggling, animal, cash crop, and fuel smuggling. And number 4. Number 5, the unit is further tasked to physically patrol all the borders of the country and report on all forms of suspected subversive activities to the appropriate security agencies. It also coordinates with other security agencies to ensure border security and prevent territorial violation. The unit is enjoined to be in the state of preparedness to act to contain external aggression prior to the deployment of troops from the Ghana Armed Forces. The Ghana Immigration Service border management. Okay, border sir. I'm gonna try some be prevent illegal migrants. So be wura country ha onfa krata just onfa kwan papa so no use unauthorized route na mumura no aba be wura Ghana there be Ghana Immigration Service omo wo ho se omo be prevent sa nyoman. So be din do bone efa baby dia be wura man nam there be Ghana Immigration Service omo mpene so. Se obi awia obi so we are nafi Ghana dia kokrofo froso ana we obi free krofo froso mo we ankola no child trafficking Ghana Immigration Service enya de on be peniso abusia fa ba che ohima boatia ba mo ma me hu. Now in the midst of all this, say you trainee and krofo mo apply to the Ghana Immigration Service, now you deploy omo I was say you to me akadia omo hia no answer na functions we ebebem no akadia omo hia no I was say you to me the mom said the beya ejuma no mo ya omo yi omo akoma mo aye na man ko ye no biara eno na ebo mine form me bacha me ba betwitwi nkomo bi answer na matoa so na nkomo no ababa wa na nya onu ankasa ne din me ma no hima boating because ne ho ofa ye pa. And me more him boating no what can story no na ye nyina ye ntie ansana ya ka ho asem
ya epoko
ya do ba dia se him boating me bacho oye adwuma with Ghana Immigration Service
passion
great ana dia na ekoso
okay and opedi enyo bone last year 20th of June and more assigning for national assignment on all the borders due to the border closure. Now, yeah, but you know, say a day, a hand home. As time goes on African cafe do baby all carry up. Now, another measures assign say from on the effect of 22nd of March. They are giving us 50 CDs, which is 7,000 Ghana cedis.
I'm about to. Ose mo be kono ya kache mo say 100 cities they be take effect from that ben.
1st of June.
1st of June.
Yes.
And then just say May throughout May the 100 Ghana na was a moji.
And there was a check.
And later almost say I'm back dating to 22nd
March.
22nd March.
Yes.
And yeah April and yeah May.
No, 100%.
Meanwhile, you see 50 Ghana never started from 1st June.
1st June.
Or Dwaso Mama.
And see, we are all waiting for our 7,000 Ghana cedis. Then they communicate to us to say, with the effect of 22nd March, they are giving us 50 cedis. And we don't understand. And that wasn't the agreement you made with us when we were going for the operation.
This communication say 50 Ghana cedis from 22nd March, you know, if you infant buy.
If we headquarters
of the Ghana Immigration
Service.
Almost far phone the frame man as much
it was verbal communication.
Verbal communication via phone and face to face.
50 cedis.
From
yes.
22nd.
Yes.
Almost explaining the entire 50 Ghana from 22nd.
No explanation.
Wow. I ask some more. And then more trying 3,000 instead of 7,000.
Instead of 7,000.
More you deploy omono. Mosina moko guard borders.
Borders, yes.
And I must start. Bacho Sikana Ghana Immigration Service at the mamo the 50, 50, 100, 100, you know. If he source bang, if he in a Ghana Immigration Service.
I know it's from national security.
Yeah, checks with national security whether that decision of 50-50 is coming from them.
Per our checks, you know, we understand they have paid us up to June.
National security has paid more deployment up to June.
Yes, June.
And how much I'm saying 50 or 100?
50 there was 100 cedis.
Maybe up to June, no, I hear now
100 cedis.
100 cedis and a national security and release it to Ghana Immigration Service.
Yes.
So is that the case?
Yes, that is the case.
Now the source now it provided funds in it, you know, we release it.
We release it, Nisika.
But a bit do immigration or more taking decisions on betchim.
Yes.
Normal starting from 20. But your more you deploy monomodoso kakra.
That's what I also. In my sector, we are 30. It's 30, 30, 30, 30. That's OT region and then Western region. Wow. All the borders. And
the more you deploy, more do be 100.
We are more than that.
More do be 500.
Sure.
Okay, and to me, a simple calculation be 500 by 50. Abahima.
Papa.
Anyambia mo protested to mo commanders says he can monje and amodiano obey before complain.
Yeah, obey before complain. If you do that, we call it mutiny.
Wow.
Yes, so we can't do that.
They say musugu mo yam sa.
Yes, sugu yam. Inti ye dia be dan mo no kwe say yefre mo. Mo waye.
Majuma ne bebe wie ye da ben.
Ejuma ne mewie ye. Mewie ye.
They are almost yeah.
1st of June, no. Wow, that's here for 50 cedis, no. Then you will say, if you can't, you withdraw.
You withdraw now, so what about back to post?
Post, yes.
About him, some drink count. Or the mammy found see once. Why? Baby, for a while, person they can't wanna.
For now, dear.
For now, dear, no. But that's what they come to you. Why? We'll get to the bottom of it. But that's a break. Right. And Tiabusia for Ghana Immigration Service. And then they must send the Daso. Now, maybe ye be quickly. Mati Obahema story no. So we are immigration officer. Now we come more you deploy omo. Someone call the borders. Na monko sheho. Now this particular story na no cra. Me activate phone lines no. Oba member wudin because me say victimization there wo ho baby a. Enti wo dia wo ba story no say ya no kre. Na wo so abeka de wonim fa ho. Ansa na marane me commentary. 0302 216 561 and now 0302 216 562. Me pacho wo nye immigration officer wo can we when fa home bejim me pacho me srew. I am dealing with immigration officers ya deploy omo to the borders asem we ye form ho e pacho ma me kwa homa no so na fei ya twetwe nkomo 0302 216 561 and now 0 abuzia latu suma me na me fa. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. 561. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Chief.
Yes, sir.
That is a
Yamiti Asim, but you're an immigration officer.
I'm an immigration officer, but I'm a security officer.
You're a security officer.
And you can see that the security of the state, I'm concerned about it.
Okay.
My main family is N28.
Me bacho you.
You know when you join the security service,
Yeah.
Security service,
Mm-hmm.
say a year immigration, police, military,
Yeah.
whichever force that you are involved,
Yeah.
you are not supposed to go on demonstration.
Yeah.
The lady in question certainly says, what demonstration, mutiny.
Yeah.
Abra na wutu na no na me say ka be say you can na dey man and the basic say na say say incentive and on what that
Okay. Me bacho.
ma security of the state no the be how be to get here no na you dey talk from the be I was say that ma e bia I was say keep it as a country. Now you different you bet me a poor man over near the year rate near Kaba over the week.
Yeah.
I was outside this country.
Yeah.
And I asked them said the interior ministry or go into a security setup. Bet me I could find for me to look at the best one on mining security. Our stability. They are more by they are so ye nothing on finding the job. You will mean because maybe some 2 days or 3 days back, you should have the state at heart. But on game, and the best is there, every school, at fear. I'm a every 1,000, another 750. Oh, yeah.
Me bacho, me to me abisa. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Me bacho, allowance na ye agreed that omo to so at any time. Who na ye security person?
Irrespective of whatever the state in which you are referring to be proper.
Me bacho. Me bacho. Oza okasa me ma okasa. Now speak to the specific questions I may be. No, I'm not gaga. I allowed you to run your commentary with all due respect. Now, yes, so now answer my questions.
Moving from the commentary, I am coming to the thing to say, question now, Ubita say and I said a verbal agreement.
But the verbal agreement, agreement and any agreement.
You can take it as an agreement, and the same way it is.
Me bacho verbal agreement, agreement and any agreement.
It is an agreement.
Thank you. Now, if
but when they are issues, maybe Sikaro amongst and not a BB Abba area. Sky so much Omunya.
Me bacho utie me bacho ma membrem utie lady ne story ni ye. Said the money has been released from national security to Ghana immigration. It is at that point and so. But do you know, sir? So what is Jamebao? Maybe some specific questions. You just answer. I will allow you to run other commentaries. May what time now? Do you know, sir, what is due the person? One farm mana, a bit to me compromising a juma.
Certainly.
Very good. Do you know, sir? We reported cases and Crawford HHSK at our borders, a realm about this country.
I wouldn't doubt that.
Okay. Do you know, sir, this one can be a contributing factor to the fact that immigration officers sika at our borders and allow people to enter the country?
Certainly no.
What's that?
Certainly no.
Thank you. Bless you for your call. 0302-216-561. There's a security expert. Thank you for that information. Bodiaba. Indeed. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Hello?
Yes, sir. Me pacho me waha.
Okay. Me pacho me engaging officer.
Me pacho you.
Na me person contribute to the we be na your every year beyond we're entitled to medicals and a rent allowance. Now medicals for about 4 years in Kuramu Fiabium. I'm to a Mabisi hospital be our head office. It could be a water side, western side. Now we share the office a bread. Because I'm a more baby. Not flies be a friend uncle flies. The Omukawa, you see as time goes on, now we need cross as if the such a person now or what or two hormone. I was all man medicals. Then wait me about. I know you are high. And your rent allowance and so. First from South, you know, Mutia, or Uni accommodation. I feel about your necessary make you better months. I feel more 2 months.
Abusia Mate, Medasibe Brain, Asamna near Kamamono, Menstro 0302-216-561 and 0302-216-562. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Asempa.
Yes, madam. Oh, brother Kaho, okay.
Upper West will be border town.
Oh, Upper West, okay.
The amount where they are giving them is
Akiomo. Yeah, I wish our brother Yabefro Nanka. Yeah, me too.
Aside that, they don't have amenities. That is my fear.
Wow.
Aside that, they don't have amenities. So please, as you are talking,
Mate, Obapa.
At least one should be with them. Nothing
to the borders. This particular issue. Just give me a call. Why? Let's talk. 0302-216.
You see, the issue we are discussing is very serious.
Yes, sir.
And we too, we are going through the same problem at the end of them.
Oh, really? Military officers?
Yes.
Wow.
You see, what we go through, and we're supposed to be paid. And I can tell you on fact that, as at now, no soldier has taken anything.
Really?
Yes.
I shall me pick this particular the Ghana Immigration Service for the end. You see, as I was saying at the first call, Anebeka says security matters. And to me, with all due respect to you, security matters. When we do this to our security officers, we are debonning. What are we talking about? We have heard about immigration officers or more borders or more disc and and allow them into the Kamfamano. Now the cows is security matters and now obitifi on Juma. What are you talking about? Obitifi on Juma and to be a Juma and see a sisino. More on Sako Mano and no moji no modia shabusia and no moji no modia buan crofo. 100 Ghana what is about 50. Penino near tin is Kasuma and Kaube and I know them. Let us stop this.
But what the woman is saying is it's a good point. And then what I have to say is that yes.
0302-216-561 and 0302-216-562. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Minya asama nyama ekoso no akwa na obedi nkan kasa aye no omuni mpemfo omde da so ho mu a omudi offense sika a okaka omsi menka omwa ni mpem na beto nitirimu
abusia me pacho
katiano ni pani abre
me pacho mesrao
ni pani abre aso beka na chemiansa pa ewo mu internet so tumeka mas contractor ntwa ukwan na anka oda ntino wo se contractor ni gine na se faufia
Kwasi can say or say we to show you adwuma na ya frɛ wo a when you adwuma masa mo fan home bakura de ni bani abro.
Good morning.
Fine morning.
Yes sir.
Fine morning.
Abuzan bacho my radio nko from Kakrawai now one men kasa. Right.
Bacho me bra na immigration.
Okay.
Na say the assembly say kono. Mpani foka me bi say unya hobo a yen to kwan. Undi mi say sika ni ho. Wa employ ni pano. Say the say mema o say. Na wan fa ma no a. Edi nsem bebre ba keta hihye no hwa na firi. Na obi di to me ehye ni sa. Nti de panyi de odi kan no kasa no madi no ya pa. Di san se eyonu anani ba anani office ni yiri. Ko be peni kasa wa se me ka kire.
Dabi ode nya abotre. Why?
Onto no boase. Wanya ba bia gina onyini no. Black fly riomu onko ni nyoma omo fesi wo border. Baby on meda kra bi ni ho. Do before complain. No, it's so bad. You see, there is civilization now. We should reform some of our institutions. Who say, "Shall do before complain?" Our
recruit omo fambra because omo de mo ntu omo ka omo pe because omo nya adwuma ye. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Asempa.
Yes, sir. Nyameti ase.
Mbacho, minia Odimechi, immigration officer. Asempa. The first call on the me pese me masa se mu nso ha ya. But modification be na the salary gap between junior officers omo kwa yes any percentage no ebe ko good among immigration officers nkwa bestro se bo modi all our security services no bo modi ko ni nyina mu no hwese na junior ranks omo bre ewo ndwuma no mu ji salaries akese ya mamu cars ya mamu maintenance allowance ya mamu medicals ya mamu bibia sesika na nsumudi na mu wia kakra na allowances kakra na omakoye adwuma na omosa ebe na yetimu no Asempa mesere se sasa mwe no mema na nso ha ya bomodi se ubehwehwum me say mema na immigration kwa set police soldiers fire service all our security agencies ni nyina bomodi kom na mayenhu se eyekura so de obi salary baba betudwa bomodi fa betu enunti ana ma unemployment ados wo mamu enkofo fan amanfo wondwuma mu a yenyina yekọ the same hospital. Meanwhile, no, obi, ojini say Ghana hafa no obi ye adwuma bosom 250 Ghana cedi. Nanso say ni pakro no, ne ba e dey sika wodi no, say 250 cedi na enso no. Enwa no obi ye adwuma no wa treat woni pa no, te say nipa no ya aboa ana say bia ono de wonyi nipa ana ya anwo no. Mesre Asempa, say adwuma we adwuma pa.
Abusia me da se bebre we part 1 na ochena metoaso Wednesday metoaso ensem ne ba say na ye ka no obi ti baby na obefa unnecessary otan. Can you imagine say we deploy police officer so onko guard baby wo ditu ahyenensa and this same police officer or the rent car what compromise no compromise the police officer. And this is what we are talking about. Ejumani bia na ketua e fatano. Once a waya ejumani nkwandie. Fanisika mano. Why is it so? The bia nkolano no mudi omusika nkem. Enso mo die mo be but akolane die kakra na onu afena obebubu mo be wie kra no. Na we wakotena sorry them Kwasi ada ya you have ya fuafuao aje jewo so wa sorry them papa we di owo scale ye beto aso asomdwe nkan me ni Kwasi Asempa me bacho ko Facebook Kwasi Asempa o de messenger send me message baby a wo bia wo immigration officer wo de send me message messenger ye be di nkomo wo ho na ya to aso ɔhwɛ sɛ deɛ border gas ɛbrɛ migration officers ɔmo ɔhwɛ sɛ deɛ ɔmo brɛ